The sound of a doorbell ringing strikes fear in the hearts of pet parents across the country. And many pet parents will go to great lengths to make sure that their doorbell is not rung. For example, we've been hired today by a client that has 8 dogs. Yes, I did say 8. And she's going to kill me, but I'm going to ring that doorbell. Let's see what happens. Wow, we've got our work cut out for us. Let's get started. We're back at our client's home, and they've been practicing now for 2 weeks. We have been checking in on them over the last 10 days, and they've made some great progress. So let's see how they're doing today. 1 bark, 2 seconds. That's fantastic. Let's do it again. 1 bark, 2 seconds. That's incredible progress for 8 dogs. If you have 1 or 2 dogs, you can expect to get your time down to 1 to 2 seconds or 1 to 2 barks per dog. For more behavioral tips, please visit our website at pawsandtraining.com.